Hey guys, it's ATB here again with another prank call. I don't know if I posted any more prank calls, but I do a lot of takes of prank calls and I always end up being lame. I'm gonna call it animal trapping service talking like this, so yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video so I can grow my channel. Let's go.
For calling All-Star Animal Removal. Your call will be answered within 60 seconds. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you for calling All-Star Animal Removal. My name is Karen. How may I help you?
Yes, I had a question.
Okay.
How big of animals do you trap?
I'm not quite sure. Like, what kind of animals do you have?
I don't know. From outside here, I don't know. It looks pretty big. I don't know what it is. It's a all black color, and it looks like a cat, but it's way bigger than a cat. I don't know if somebody has a illegal cat or something. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I'm not sure, but you want me to go ahead and take some information from you, and then I can have a wildlife specialist contact you back within the next 30 minutes?
Okay.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Billy. Billy. That spells Billy.
And your last name?
My last name is Trucker. Trucker. Trucker.
And your phone number, area code first, please.
817-210-5019. Nine, my bad, I'm sorry.
817-210-5019?
Yes. That's
And your address, please.
My address is 5013 Whiteman Road.
And your zip code, please.
07123. Oh crap, I fell off my chair.
I'm sorry, that zip code one more time, please.
7123.
Zip code's 5 numbers, what is that?
It's 7123. Did you get that?
No, I'm sorry, one more time with your zip code, please.
07123.
I'm sorry, 07123 is not a legal zip code.
Hold on, I have this. Hold on, I have short-term memory loss. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
It's 76012.
76012, thank you.
You're welcome.
And how did you hear of our company?
Well, I just looked it up on the WizData digital devices computer internet zip code 011. The computer, Google, internet, Foxfire. Ah, dang it, Billy, get away, Billy. Go do your homework, Billy. Sorry about that.
Okay, Harry, you said there's a large black animal outside and you're not sure if it's a cat or not?
I don't know, it's humongous. It's about the size of my golden retriever. Pretty darn big. It's all black like a cat, but it's roaming around in the backyard of somebody's house because there's no fences, but I don't know, man. Peeing all over my doorstep and pooping on my windows.
Okay, well, I'll go ahead and get this sent out and have a wildlife specialist contact you back within the next 30 minutes, okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Thank you. Oh my god, I couldn't go. I laughed in the middle of so many of my sentences. Thanks for watching. I'll get back to you guys with another animal trapping. I'll do the same bar like that. I forgot the zip code of Fort Worth. I had to Google it. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.